Hello. Hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay. Hello. Hello, Jeffrey.
Invincible.
Alu Vlogs. Yo, what's up? Yes. Entry agad. Yo. El Negro. Hello. Channelin. Todd Patricio, yo, what's up? Ava, hello. Gandang gabi. Felicity Villaflor. Zen Badsu, hello. Okay. Handsome boy. Kanina pa ako naghihintay ng live mo. Oh yeah, we have a Zoom class 6 p.m. Thank you for waiting. Highly appreciated. Are you done with your module already? Mavic, hello. Ruby, yo, what's up? Lods. Lodi. Lods. Hello. Wendell Garcia, hello Wendell. Shout out sa 6 million viewers. John Ventura, hello. Mai, Mia, hello. Oh, I see. Hello, B. Zangwin. Hello, how are you? The bridge is far from you, right, Zangwin? It's from Bohol, right? The one that collapsed. Is it Bohol? Absent ako sa Zoom class. Hindi nag-alarm CP ko. Sayang. Alright. It's okay. Hello. Good eve. Jesus Guillermo. Oh, nice. Sarap ng kain mo, Zangwin. Anong handa doon? Okay. Hello, Ariel. Our avid viewer. Okay. So, I hope all is well with everyone. Okay. Ivan Solestre, hello. 203. What's 203, Ivan? Yes, sir. Loay Bohol. Yeah, so nabilang na ba? Did the casualty counted already? That's really sad news for us Filipinos, right? So we mourn with the people of Bohol, okay? So for that tragic incident. Oh, I see. It's typo only. I thought there is something with 203, So I guess that's 20 USDT. Okay. Hello, Ramil. Yo, what's up? Okay. How is everyone? I hope all is well with you and your family, and I hope you are safe, okay? And I think there's a news that the new variant entered already the Philippines, so stay safe everyone. Okay, stay at home, learn day trading, because in day trading you don't have to leave your house. Okay, you don't have to leave your house. You can make money at home. Okay? So with proper discipline and learning and community, you can be a professional day trader, okay? Hello, Sim Veloso. Good to see you here. I also saw you in our Zoom class. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, hello everyone. So now let's check some basic technical analysis we can learn for today. So let's try this one. Okay. So let's check some breakout chart patterns. Okay. So these breakout chart patterns are self-fulfilling prophecy. Okay. When I say self-fulfilling prophecy, it usually happens because everybody thinks it will happen. So they will trade with it and so it will happen. Okay. So this one, head and shoulder pattern. So let's check some, the breakout is to the downside. Let's check some head and shoulder. Do we have a head and shoulder here? Let's remove the itchy. Can I open new one here? Okay, this one. So let's look for head and shoulder pattern, okay? Sir Fib, pa-explain how it works and saan ang mga entry points sa paggamit ng Fib. Okay, so we have a request from Ivan. Because you are our consistent viewer, so we can grant you your desire, okay? So we'll skip with the head and shoulder pattern and we'll check Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is his uncle Fibonacci, okay? He's a Italian mathematician. Okay, so Italians are good not just in pasta and spaghetti, okay? They are also good in math. Okay, so let's check Fibonacci retracement. Here. So Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci strategy. Okay, in finance, Fibonacci retracement is a method of technical analysis for determining support and resistance levels. It is named after the Fibonacci sequence of numbers, whose ratios provide price levels to which markets tend to retrace a portion of a move before a trend continues in the original direction. Okay? So, Fibonacci numbers. Let's check some Fibonacci numbers. So the Fibonacci, you can find it in our planet. Okay, you can find it in the plants. You can even find it in, that's interesting, flowers. Okay, and you can even see it in others. Okay, you can see the form of Fibonacci even in music and Fibonacci sequence. Imagine. Okay, even the galaxy, solar system, the universe. So that's how interesting the Fibonacci, okay? Showing you a portion. So basically, this is Fibonacci. Okay, so usually the trend, you cannot see a trend that is continually to the upside. You see trend goes up and then retraces and then goes up again and then retraces, goes up again and then retraces. Goes down and then retraces, goes down, retraces, goes down, retraces, goes down. So that's what you see in the market. You don't see a straight down and then a straight up, okay? So always a retracement. That's why we have this Fibonacci strategy. When it is retracing, correcting, getting more power, then that's when you buy your position. Okay? Okay, hello, hello, hello. Hello, Mary. Hello, Ben. Yo, what's up? Hello again. Okay, so you open this from swing low to swing high. So if it's to the upside, you click the Fibonacci and then put it to the swing high. And then you see the number here, 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 here. You take note of this three. Okay, the three important number. The 382, the 0.5, and the 0.618. If it bounces in 382, that's a strong trend. That's the bouncing area. That's the retracement area. If it bounces in the 0.5, that's a normal trend. If it bounces in 618, that's a weak trend. Okay, that's a weak trend. 618. Okay, hello, hello, good evening. Alu, Myro, yo, what's up? So, that's Fibonacci for you. And once if it doesn't bounce and gets it goes back to the point A and goes back down here, that's a reversal sign. Okay, that's a reversal sign once it touches the 100%. It's not retracing anymore, but it's a reversal sign. Let's check. For example, for our time frame. You see this? You see this to the upside. You thought we are just retracing, right? So we opened a long position here and we got wrecked because it's reversal. It went down. Reached this one and even broke it below. Okay? And now it's back again to the upside. Okay. Okay. So, with this in mind, that's Fibonacci for you. Okay, so let's try to pull out Fibonacci. If you are looking at it as a uptrend, you can pull out swing low. Let me remove the magnet. Swing low to swing high. So if this is only our trade, then we have bounced already. The bouncing area is almost at 618. Okay, if this is the swing low and this is the swing high, so this is our trend. So we bounce in 0.5 and 618 and we continue to the upside. Okay. So if our trend is up to here, okay, swing low, swing high. You remember what to take note, right? That to take note of 382, 0.5, and 618. So these are bouncing area. So most probably it's gonna bounce here and continue, or bounce here and continue, and bounce here and continue. So if you notice, whenever I give you a signal, the signal that I give you is from this trend line. Okay, let's check. For our 1 hour time frame. Okay. So this is our Fibonacci. And I gave you an entry for short from swing high to swing low. So because we are looking at it, swing high to swing low, and then we will retrace, either we bounce from 3 and then drop, or bounce from 5 and drop, or bounce from 6 and drop. So right now we are in 618. Okay, so this is the last one. And all the EMA is right here. Okay, the Wyckoff EMA 144233. That's a strong resistance right there. So most probably we will start dumping from here. Okay, and we are indeed dumping already. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, so we are dumping from 0.618. Okay, so this is our short position. I did not give you a long position. You can only have a clear long position once we break this one, because that means it's a reversal trend already. Okay, so that's how you use the Fibonacci. So from here we are expecting that it's gonna go to its trend from 618, 0.5 or 382. Okay, so how to use? If it's the trend is the downtrend, what you're going to do if it's downtrend, from swing high, okay, find the Fibonacci here, Fib retracement, swing high, okay, swing high to swing low, the bottom. So from there you will plot the 618, 0.5 and 382. Okay, so that's where you place your hello Nestle Simborio. Hello Alexis Balauro. Yo, what's up? RA, yo. Jose Marie, hello. Okay, so I hope this helps you know how to plot out Fibs. Okay, so this is in a micro trend. We are just trading this one, so you use it in 1 hour time frame to find your entries, because in 4 hour time frame that's too huge, you cannot really see. Okay, let's try to hide this one, Fib. Let's try the bigger from here, top to bottom. Okay, if you look at this one, we have bounce in 0.5. Okay, we drop. Okay, we drop here. A retracement is 0.5. It should be like this here. And you can see it bounce in 0.5 and start dropping again. Okay, so we are in a downtrend, so you can just keep on going to the downside. So from here, we might bounce, we might get a rejection here. This is 382. Okay, so this is 382, so that is still healthy, and that is a strong trend. If it start dropping from here, that's a strong trend to the downside. Okay, that's a strong trend to the downside. Okay, so if it's dropping from there, that's a healthy the downside. How about we'll try to pull it farther from the previous top. This is the 48. Okay, the 48 level. Swing high to swing low. So our 236 is waiting right here in 40,000. Okay. 382 is waiting in 41,704. Okay. Okay, nice, nice. It's good that you have the same question, Ramil and Ivan. Alright. Mary Ann Ko, yo, what's up? So that's how you use Fibs, okay? So if it is to the downside, your trend is to the downside, you pull it from swing high to swing low. Okay, Sol, sir. Okay, you want me to check Sol? So swing high to swing low, okay? So right now we are just looking at this trend here. So looking forward that we start, we mirror here. Okay, we mirror this one and we start dropping. We mirror this and mirror here, and so we can start dropping from here. Okay? Okay. Thank you, sir. I love you. I love you too. Okay, okay. We will check also Sol. Okay. All anime. Hello. Okay, so that's the basic technical analysis you can learn. Fibonacci. Uncle Fibonacci, our Italian uncle. Okay. So he gave us he looks, this is a man. Okay. So he gave us, he said, you buy here. Okay, you don't buy at the top, you buy at the retracement. Okay, you don't buy here, you buy at the retracement. Okay? Alright. Hello sir, salamat sa pag-mention. No problem, no problem. I have 3 screen here. The one and the monitor, so I can always see your comments, okay? How to use Fib Extension? Oh, Ian Baral, nice question right there. So, Fib Extension, the purpose of Fib Extension is usually for take profit purposes. Okay, so if you want to take profit, now you know the entry. The question is, where are you going to take profit, right? So, how are you going to use the take profit? So, let's try. Trend-based Fib Extension. So, from swing high, the swing low, and then the extension. The top of the retracement, okay? So, you see the top of the retracement? This one. Okay, so that's the top of the retracement. You put it at the top of the retracement, and then your take profit area, you will see your take profit area. Okay, 1.618, 1.5. Okay, or 1. So you can take profit in 1, 1.6, 1.5, or 1.618. Okay? Okay, let's try to find some example here. I think I found some example here about this one. Okay, this healthy uptrend right here. It did indeed hit the 1.618. It's a long wait though. So if you are trading only this trade here, okay, and then the retracement area, or you trade it here and this is your retracement area. So from here, your price target, you hit the 1.5 and then 1.618. Okay? Okay. Check the weekly time frame. Let's remove let's hide others. So if we do this one from swing high, swing low, or swing low, and then the correction area. This is interesting, okay? Because as you can see, we are exactly resting in 236. We have a swing high, swing low, and then to our retracement area. And look at where are we right now. We are exactly at the resistance of 236. Okay, so if that's the case, take profit area is way below more, even lower. Okay. Of course, this one is too deep already. Okay, because this is already the previous all-time high and the swing low. But the 1.618 is up to 10. That's too much, right? Hello, late na naman po na naman. No problem, no problem. Pods TV. laugh, laugh trip daw si Sir Ramil. Ian Baral, salamat po sir. Okay, most welcome, okay? Alright. Meron ba yung setting sir sa default lang? Or default lang? Yes, default only. When you want to change, the purpose of changing is if you don't like the color, you can use one background color or colorful. Okay? Either you want a colorful, you want too dark, or just these colorful lines only. You can have that one, okay? But the basic, you can keep it. Okay? So using this, you can put swing high, swing low. Penalty, sir. Ipe-penalty yung late. Oh, yung push up. What's TV? Push up daw. 10 push up. For good health. More push up keeps the doctor away, keeps the COVID away. Penalty, sir. Okay, UTA XRP. That's a punishment, I guess, if you are analyst, right? The penalty is UTA 3 coins. Give us a good signal. That's good, right? Yeah, so I think that's a good than letting you do push up. We will just ask you to TA 3 coins so we can do some entry with that one. Okay. So I think that's a basic technical analysis, okay? Including the Fibonacci retracement. So the use of Fibonacci Fib extension is for finding the take profit. Ape TA, sir. Okay, so you're gonna do the TA for Ape? That's your penalty? Alright. Okay. So now we'll go some Bitcoin news, okay? So let's check some Bitcoin news because the news affects our market. So what's the news we have? Bitcoin mining difficulty hits record high. So you can see the record high, right? So 29.79 trillion difficulty. That's too difficult. Okay. So what happens if it's difficult? Is it bullish or bearish? A prolonged period of high inflation, high unemployment rates, and stagnant aggregate demand has made the existing monetary tool futile. With investors now increasingly embracing Bitcoin, nations aren't far behind. After El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender, the Central African Republic followed suit and went on to become the first country in Africa to do so. Oh, so Central Africa now, So you have 2 countries now welcoming Bitcoin. Oh, nice. So I don't know after our election if we're gonna be more free in our country to use our cryptocurrency, okay? Depends maybe on our president. Alright. So Bitcoin ICE 40,000. ApeCoin source 8%. Oh, now the news is now DAing your Ape, okay? So ApeCoin is DA. It rose 8%. Whenever it is mentioned in the news, you sell the news and then you dump the coin. That's usually the news, right? Whenever you have a good news, you will know that it's going to dump soon. That's we call FOMO. Okay, so fear of missing out. So whenever there's a news, people jumping on it, and then the institution will dump that coin. ApeCoin source 8%, new all-time high. Market watch. Oh, nice for Ape. So it's a strong coin, Bitcoin is now eyeing 40. We have dropped and we are trading in this area. Okay. Fed tightening, more of an opportunity than a threat. Grayscale CEO. So that's what Grayscale CEO said, okay? So Fed tightening, monetary tightening, Federal Reserve, so is not threatening our crypto. Interest rates, raise interest rates, creating environment where there is far less appetite for speculation. Okay. Look at our DXY. Our DXY is just pumping. Pumping and pumping. What year is this one? This is 2002. The bubble was 2008. Okay, this is the bubble. You see the dump here of the dollar. Okay, the housing bubble. This one is too high right here, 164. The dollar buying power, this is 1985. So who's born in 1985? The dollar is too powerful here. And right here, the dollar is weak, 1978. 1978, the dollar is weak. 1978. If this is the time during Marcos, no wonder we were able to match 1:1. If the dollar is weak during that time. 881. Okay, so this is usually the bottom. Okay, so usually the bottom, you see touching the bottom 81. Oh, we have even lower here in 2008. Oh, this 2008, this one is the Twin Tower, the bombing in New York. So that's why they have a dump also. 9/11, right? 9/11. Yeah, and the stock market bubble crash is also in 2008. So I don't know if that's the 9/11 or the bubble. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is the dollar right now is pumping. Okay, aluminum dollar climbs toward 20-year high. Okay, it's the 20-year high. It's the previous 20-year high, and it's climbing up there. Okay, so this is the 20-year high right here, 2002. 8 will have Metaverse within 3 days, sir. That's why it is pumping. Oh, so it has a Metaverse now. Not just the NFT, but also a Metaverse. So we better buy our Oculus. Okay, so we can enjoy the Metaverse also. Okay. Let me check if I got it. Here. So if you want to enjoy Metaverse, you need to get this one. Okay, so you can get it in Facebook. Oh, it's cheap here. This one is $300 only. But you can buy it in Facebook, in malls. It's in Facebook also. You can get it 20 to 25,000 only. Okay. So MetaQuest 2, you can get this. So this one you use to find the Metaverse, to enter the Metaverse. Okay, you need this kind. Okay. And maybe you will start working here. There will be a work future here. There will be a future you will be working inside here. So if you got this, you have a capital of 25,000 and then you start earning 100,000. Maybe if they are looking for technical analysis in Metaverse also, right? Oh, so that's interesting. I don't know what will happen. Okay, so you need Oculus for that one. Anyway, so Metaverse, Ape is in Metaverse. Okay, so whenever dollar is pumping, Bitcoin should start dumping. And look at the stock market right now is recovering. Russell 2000, S&P, Dow Jones is all in red. Okay, dumping Dow Jones, and then Russell 2000. Look at it, it's dropping also. Okay. So we'll see. Sauna kakalabasan yan. What sao? Na. El Negro, yo, what's up? Okay. Okay. Oh, it's already 8:35. And if you haven't been part yet of our community trade scholar, make sure you join us, okay? So you know what's happening. Okay, right here. So you know what's happening. So you scan this QR code. You scan the QR code in the left side of your screen. And then from there, you will be redirected to our Telegram community, okay? So we have here a link also if you cannot. Sword Art Online yan, sir. Anime. Oh, I see. I don't know that yet, okay? Okay. Thank you for enlightening me, okay? Learning here. Okay. So here, you can click this one and you will be redirected to our Telegram community, okay? Okay. So from here, you're gonna be redirected here. Okay, so this is our community. So Genesis is doing TA, okay? So you can see him also doing TA. Genesis! Alright. Okay. So that's good. There are people here, okay? So this is our community right here making money. Congrats. Alright, and most people here in our practical are already learning. So they can start also making money. Every live po ba ang pagsabi ng 20 USDT? Yes, every day. So that every day you can have entry. And then on Sunday will be the raffle. So more entries, more chances of winning. Alright. Okay. So cheers. Wow. So everybody's making money. Alright. So this is our community right here. You will be redirected here. And we give out some price forecast here. Okay. So some news here. So you can see some news. Weekly time frame. We have a price prediction. Weekly, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and then the long and short specific signal is given to our practical group. Yo, Zero, the Lone Rider, and Martin Von Romualdez, newbie here. Oh, Romualdez, nice last name right there. Hello, boss. Okay. So here, you can see if you want specific signal, you are welcome here. Okay, so you just message welcome trade scholar or KZ. Okay, from our practical group, and you will be redirected to our practical group. They will guide you how to be part. You just need this one. So from here, you are here, free community. You have daily BTC forecast and you can join our live technical analysis. And then in our practical, you can have live technical analysis and then daily signal and then beginner courses. We have a Zoom class. Okay, so we are an educational platform, Martin Von. Okay, and then you just need to create your ULIAN account. Okay, you just deposit at least a minimum of 100 to 500. And then from there, you get 2 signals. Okay, so we have analysts in our community. I'm one of them, and also Sir Ian. So we give signals also. Okay, at least 2 signals per day. And then, if you want to join our exclusive, you just need greater than 500. Okay, someone you can join our exclusive and then greater than 500 daily BTC, live technical analysis, daily signal, advanced courses, learning video, one-on-one review meeting, exclusive signals. Okay, so you can get exclusive signals also. So more than 2. Okay, so this is our practical. Okay, so this is our practical. This is where we drop our signal. Okay, and we have some profit also here. Okay, so Bugs Bunny here is counting money also. Okay, so having fun here. All right. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we drop our specific signal here, and then this is our exclusive. And in exclusive, you can just imagine we check ADA here, we check EOS, so many coins, TRX. So many ways to make money once you join. The Ethereum was dropped also here. Okay, so whenever you grow your account, then you ask right away to join our TS exclusive, Trade Scholar exclusive, so you can have more signal. Okay, so that's our community. Okay, so we are growing, and we are also growing our traders also. Okay, in financial stability as well. Okay, so I hope you join us. Okay, so who's not yet in our community, make sure you join us. Okay, even for those who are joining in a raffle, so to claim your prize will be sent to your ULIAN account. So at least you message already, you chat the Trade Scholar community, so you can create your account right away, so you can claim your prize. Okay, all right, so that's it. Zero, the Lone Rider 25 watching now. All right. Yes, usually on Sundays we have all-time high because it's raffle day, right? Raffle and raffle. Okay. So let's check. Let's do the TA now for Bitcoin. What do we have for Bitcoin? So what is Bitcoin telling us? Okay, let's check. So in weekly time frame, with our Ichimoku, we are below the cloud. Okay, so that is super bearish. We haven't been below the cloud. Remember, we are always above the cloud. And to be below the cloud is a dangerous thing to be, because that means there is no support but there is resistance. Okay, the last time we tried the resistance, we dropped hard. Okay, so we have dropped before. This is January 17, we dropped below the cloud, but the next candle went inside the cloud right away, and from there on we stayed inside the cloud. But right now we are outside the cloud, and we are just waiting for the capitulatory low. Okay, capitulatory low means the bulls gives up and there will be a huge dump. Okay, let me show you what I'm trying to tell you here in daily time frame. What happens whenever you lose control of the cloud? You are not inside the cloud. Okay, look at this one. After dropping outside the cloud, what happened here? It dropped harder. Okay, so look at that drop right there, a long wick to the downside. Okay, but of course this is from the previous all-time high, that's why it's a huge drop. This is a different story because we are already at the bottom. Okay, but what I'm just trying to say is being below the cloud is not a good place for Bitcoin. So if it is for the bulls, then you need to stay above or inside at least the cloud. So usually we cross the cloud within this cross area here. And for the weekly time frame, this is July 11. Okay. Okay. Our awesome oscillator is also bearish. We have a bearish saucer. Okay, this is bearish saucer here. So this is bearish. We have opened a red volume to the downside. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So just say hi to Uncle Fibonacci right there. Awesome oscillator, bearish here. So you can see the bearish saucer. Okay, this is the bearish saucer. You can see it printed a red volume. Instead of crossing, it went and it can continue to the downside. Okay, so that's what we are looking at. We have a bearish saucer. Okay, So that's weekly. Our RSI is below the median, the middle. So this is bearish also. We are crossing our moving average. So if we cross below, that's bearish also. Okay. Okay. So many bearish signs in weekly time frame. So macro trend, we are bearish. Okay. That's macro. Let's say if we're gonna change the trend as we go along to lower time frame. Okay. So as you can see here, we have a test here, and a test here, and it found support. And then this is a channel up. Okay, a channel up. When I say a channel up, it means the breakout is to the downside. Okay. So here, channel up. This one is channel up. The breakout is to the downside. Okay. 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 So we can expect more to the downside. Okay. So our price target for this one, if it breaks, is 28,367. If we did break out to the downside. But if we found support here, then we can start bouncing. And we can cross the cloud here, the thinnest part of the cloud, which is May 12. Okay, election is already over. Once lang po ba mag-comment ng 20 USDT, sir, or pwede damihan? You can just comment once. Okay, no need, no problem to comment, no need to problem plenty. They are just doing it for plenty times, just to make sure that I will see their comment. Okay. So yeah, whatever you like. Okay. Thank you for clarifying it, Nestle. Okay. You have a nice name, Nestle. Okay. So it's a smooth name. Nestle. Nestle Simborio. Nestle. Alright. So if we find support here, then the next one, if we can have another higher high here. But to tell you, we have broken this trend. We have already broken this trend, by the way. Okay, let me draw it for you. Let me remove Ichimoku. Okay, let me hide this one so you can see. Okay, here. Primary low. Higher low. Higher low. Higher low. So, we should continue this trend. This trend here should have pump harder. Okay, it should have become like this one, so that the trend is continuation, because we have a high, higher high, and higher high. But here, the next of the higher low is lower low. So this is a descending trend already, so we can expect a trend to the downside. Okay? Wag na sana mag-dump ng sobra, kawawa mga holding spot. Yeah. But as long as you don't sell, right? You don't lose money. But remember, with the dump in the stock market, before they recovered, when they buy it in the all-time high, it took them how many years? Some took 10 years before they get break even. Some took 3 years before they break even. That's the real bear market right there. And Bitcoin hasn't been in the bear market yet. Oh, so Nestle is... I met her already in Tagaytay. Oh, nice. I see. Okay. Way back 2015. I see. Nice. Okay, so as you can see here, we are forming a lower high, and then higher low. Okay, so the trend is already shifting. Okay, so let's check for our time frame now. So what do we have in 4-hour time frame? So in 4-hour time frame, we have crossed already. We have, by the way, we have printed the green volume to the positive. Okay, so this is bullish. Unless it becomes like this one. Just 2 red volume and then start dropping, huh? Very evil. These 2 green volume here. Too evil. Hopium and wiping out the long position, okay? Not good, not good. Okay. Okay, let me remove my brushes here. Okay. So, basically, with this one in mind, if you pull out our Fibonacci, swing high to swing low. So, we are still in a 0.618. Okay, so we are still in a 0.618. We still have 3 hours left. 3 hours before the 4-hour time frame closes. Okay, so if it closes as a red, then that can mean it's already a confirmation to the reversal. Okay, we are in the reversal state right away. We are in the retracement area and we are going to retrace and hit our price target to the downside. Okay. Okay. So, if you want to know some swing low price target, you can also do this one for price target. Okay. Usually we use the trend-based fib, right? But I just flip it. I just pull it to the opposite and I can find the price target right away. 36 and 35. So that can be your price target right there. Also the one, you can also use it as price target. Okay. Okay. Dump na yan. Recession, war, inflation. Yeah. So many things going on with our planet. Okay. And you can look at the dollar. It's pumping so hard because the currency of the rest of the world is going down. You see the buying power of dollar getting stronger when the buying power of all the currency is getting weaker. Yuan is getting weaker because of lockdown in China. Okay? So that's what is happening. And the war and all this stuff, we are really into a massive correction. Okay? So if you look at this market right here, we might go back again here. This is the pandemic drop. Look at the pandemic drop of the Russell 2000. This is 44% drop. Okay, this is March. Okay, this is March 18, February 20. Okay, so the dump on February, the bad news of the pandemic, the COVID. Okay, so it affected the stock market also. Okay, so right now we are going down. We have retested the EMA, the 144 and the 233, and we get a rejection and now we are starting to drop. So if we don't hold this area right here, we're gonna drop again. And Bitcoin in the stock market acts like a Russell 2000, okay, a tech company. Okay, so it's like a tech company. The Bitcoin moves like a tech company. And it's not stopping. It's not stopping the INDXY. Even if how... Hello, Peppa. Good to see you. Yo, what's up? Hello, Ram. Yes. Ram Miranda is our first winner in our raffle. And he won it with Gcash, okay? I sent him 500 peso Gcash when he won the raffle. So right now we are not using Gcash anymore but USDT. Okay, so he's our first winner. And haven't been, right? Or Ram might have won before and he's not around in Sundays. So you better be around on Sundays. Okay. So going back, specific signal, I'll be giving it to our practical group, okay? So as I told you, we are mirroring this area here. Okay, we are mirroring this area here. So we might get a rejection here and we might start dropping here. Because we are having a drop-base drop. Okay, so this is the base. Okay, and let me show you something to make it clearer. Here, we are having this one. Drop, base, and then we have a drop. And then we have a low volume. So we are starting to go up. And touching the supply zone, we gonna drop again. And we are currently, our price currently is right here. So if we don't break the supply zone, we gonna drop. But if we break this, then we gonna pump. But most probably, this can be strong enough to hold. Okay, most probably, of course. So we technical analysts are only using probability. Okay, so these are the low volume tests. This green volume here. You see a red volume, the low volume test, and then we are just testing back here. So we'll see if we're gonna hold this support here, or this supply zone here. Okay, this supply zone here. If we break this box, then we can expect more to the upside. Okay, but we might find rejection here. Okay, because we're gonna test the 144 EMA right here, exactly at 43. Okay, so we might have a long wick and then drop. We'll see. Okay, so that's our BTC. I'll give the specific signal in our practical group, okay? So make sure you are part of our practical. Hello, mood. How's your mood today? What's your mood? Happy, sad, angry? Feeling crazy? What are you feeling right now? What's your mood right now, mood? Yes, that's right. Whenever the dollar is pumping, Bitcoin is going down. That's accurate. Okay, let me check Sol. Let's check Sol for the suggestion. What Sol's doing now? Oh, it's dropping already. Oh, they are dropping already. So we might have a double top here. And then the breakout will be right here. And the price target will be from top to bottom. So your price target can be here. Oh, nice. You did well again, huh? You're getting richer now, Choda. Are you already in our community? Practical, high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then lower high. So we are constantly going down. Alright. Okay, so this is for our Sol. Let me draw some trend line here. We have a breakout already from our trend line. And you can treat this one as a rising triangle. Like a rising triangle, right? So what's a breakout if that's the trend? Kids nowadays don't know how to whistle, right? Sipol. It's an ascending triangle. And ascending triangle is supposed to break to the upside. Okay, so if we are having an ascending triangle here, so if this is an ascending triangle, it should, okay, but you know, you know the market doesn't always follow this chart patterns, right? Because if it always follow the chart pattern, it's easy to be rich, and we should have been all rich. Okay, we should have all become rich with the market if it always follows. So this one, this might be a breakout. So you can sell here or you can sell here. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe the first 2 hours. Usually with the 4-hour time frame, the first 2 hours will go the opposite direction, and then the next 2 hours will go to the opposite direction. Usually that's how it works. But it's just a usual, okay? Not always. Okay, but the cycle here, we might have a strong double bottom here. This is a strong double bottom. So if we have this strong double bottom area right here, then we might, we haven't been close yet. We haven't closed this yet here. So we might have another bottom here for triple bottom. And that would be super bullish already. Nice, nice. Sinabi mo na. Oh, yeah, yeah. Your name, Theo, is a Greek word for God. Okay? A Greek word for God. Yeah, so sinabi mo na God kasi name ko, kaya ginalingan ko na mag-PA. Haha. Alright, that's good. You move with your name, ha? You live your name. Okay, okay, okay. So now we'll check. We're done with Sol. We have an ape suggestion, right? We'll check ape. Ooh. Ooh la 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 la. Ape is pumping hard. It's breaking here. It's making a higher high. The volume is higher high here. Okay, it's even higher high. Okay. So we might see more. We'll see, but don't know until when, right? It's scary to open long position with this one. But it's good to short this after the hype subsides. Okay? After the hype subsides, that's a good time to short. But we'll try to find some signal. The RSI is oversold, overbought, and we are constantly forming a lower low volume. So we'll see. We'll see. We are just waiting to see a huge red volume here. Okay, so that can give us a signal that we're gonna start. Okay, we're gonna start the drop. All right. So next is AVAX. AVAX. Okay, AVAX is in the support area right now. It's about to change its direction, right? Okay, or you can put it like that. Like that. Okay. So either or, the breakout is either or, to the upside or to the downside. We'll see. The trend is still bear. You can find support here. You can find support here. You can most probably bounce from here. Okay, so you can short. Once you break this, you can short. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you for suggesting all the coins, Fibs. Swing high to swing low. We have touched the retracement area of 0.5 and even 0.618. Okay, so I think that's fine already for the retracement. Okay, so let's go now to our raffle. Raffle generator. Those who wants to join our raffle, just if you already commented 20 USDT, that's fine already. We have okay, so this is our we have 104 entries. So Jeffrey Hamtig, Alu Vlogs, El Negro, Chenelin, Theo Patricio, Chod, Ava, Felicity, Villaflor, Zen Badsu, Handsome Boy, Avik Mendoza, Ravi Buwazon, Lodi, Wendell Garcia, May Balestero, John Ventura, Mia Stephanie Didigan, Ayla Canido, Sanguine, Halu, Arviel. If you are still here, you can comment present, okay? Zero the Lone Rider, Jesus, Guillermo, Ariel Natividad, Ivan Solestre, Camille Rodriguez, Sim Veloso. Anyone can join a raffle, okay? Just comment 20 USDT if you are interested, okay? Free for all. Mary, Madeleine, and Roger, Blair, Alexis, Alauro, R.A., Mary Ann Ko, Nestle, are you going to join a raffle? Yes, it's linked also to Facebook. So you can also comment. Parang mataas chance sa konti viewers. Yes, you have more chances of winning. Oh, I see you're interested with Loka. I haven't checked that one yet. Mary Ann Ko, Jose Marie, Jose Marie Kalaykay. Okay, Nestle. Nestle. So is it Nestle or Nestle? Nestle is Nestle product. Ramil. Chod is already here, right? Or not yet? I think is it yet. Oh, yo, you already here, Chod. Ian Baral, all anime. Pods. Oh, you can hear my pet, huh? Pods TV. Martin Von, you might want to join also a raffle. It's okay, okay? John Ezekiel. Is John Ezekiel has an entry? Or no? I don't think he has an entry. Alu Vlogs, Ian Baral. Is Alu Vlogs here? Okay, Alu is already here. Okay. So thank you for joining us tonight. We appreciate you spending your precious hour with us, okay? So I hope all is well with you. Stay safe. Trade safer. See you tomorrow 6 p.m., okay? Friday, okay? TGIF. Okay, all the best. Tomorrow will be a dump Friday. Usually Fridays are dumping day. Okay, so all the best, all the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. See you in our practical group. Bye-bye. Cheers.